Get a few caddies. Let's shoot at link no one. Placed an order. Placed an order. Sally, just get it here. Just take it, right? You just need to return it. Douyin has one button you on just and push offline. It here. Can you buy it here? I'm more affordable than 40. Buy 5 caddies. 5 caddies go home and eat. That's enough. More than 5 caddies. We don't say that there is no shortage of caddies or a small amount, right? See me, I don't pee enough. This one is the color of the chive leaf. I have placed an order, and there are some styles. Go shoot the chive leaf model. Yellow heart. Support and the chili. Everyone to shoot. Good pot. This water is so with bitter. $10 is really suitable. Thank you for your support. Volume given by the platform. No, it's too bitter. It's 8 o'clock. See, if this is not very stuck, this will go out and zip him. Oh my God, at home. When will the postal service arrive at your place yesterday? 3 days. Hurry up and explain where you are 7 going. Out tomorrow. Then my warm sticker goes away. Hot stickers then at there home is 8 for a day. Joe. Gotta day arrange after that tomorrow. Messy pair. Lie a little bit. Lie it's to you cheap, you have to earn a red envelope or something for others. I'd rather earn something than pick it up, you know? I didn't eat your matching dishes, and I didn't earn any money. There is a red envelope inside. Red envelopes for children during the Chinese New Year. Red envelopes. Light red envelopes. Go buy it and there is no money for free. No money. $1 cheaper. 1 piece cheaper. You still sell this for $2. That's $2 cheaper. Chili said, I eat it when it's cheap. The quality is still cheap. I don't know. It's all. I'll tell you the national flat How did price. You buy it? It's so hard for me. I'm really uncomfortable. If there is no big money, it is our 2 chives. Thanks for your support. Take this and go. That Zhenghua poured some pot wipes Let him use it at Pour home. Him a little and give them a little. Available for shopping. I bought something and poured it on people all at once. All right, come on. I can't add it. You know I can't say because I'm live. Of. Okay, it's mine. Okay. Come on, there a black screen. There is no black screen now. Thank you. Okay, come. A little pepper said wash 28 is here. Here it is. You need to wash. I want to be there at 10 o'clock. Who else? A little wider and a little wider. Wash it. Okay. Let him take it back to you, right? Okay. Turn it off for him. It's a new one. Eat it. If you eat it, let's play Zizang tomorrow. Okay, I'll open it for practice. He's not the one in the suit who opens it. Is it not open? Where is it opened? It's a suit, right? I used to have 4 bags. Give me 4 bags cheaper. It's not cheap. It's really not cheap. Oops, give it to us both. It costs 4 bags to open it and sell it for bags. Give him $2 less. That's right. I left from time to time. Hey, irregular. Okay. Timing must turn around from time to time. Do you really turn around from time to time? It has to be timed. I was looking for the stuff in the oil. I just took a picture of your shoe sales card. This is not there. This is there. You're here, aren't you? Go this, go that, okay? Go to ding, okay. That'll come back. In the next section, I will say bit by bit. New Year, mainly. Okay, 114. I took a look. It's all right. Get him 2 bags. 1 bag wide and 1 bag for washing. Come to our next village. Okay? Yes, find him a bag. Fine, get him a bag. I'll send it to you later. Hello, thank you. Here comes the fat man. Come on, bag. This car is sold out again. Wash this, 27 yuan 9 cents. 927 yuan 9 cents. Bring the nozzle over there. Give it to them both over there. You know, come next to each other. Come on, you want a Western one? Please? Okay, let him pack it for you later. Sell. Uncle, they sell goods. You know, it's not big.